Yep. Yo guys, thanks for clicking on the video. Today we are out after Pike with a big setup, big lures. This week, as you know, we've had some absolutely horrendous weather. I think I went -6 degrees on my car one morning. Now today is a great opportunity as it's starting to warm up. We should expect a bit of rain at about 1:30, but for the morning it should be relatively cold and yeah, just warming up throughout the day. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm starting off with a Swarks anchor. I don't remember the exact name of it, but it's about 16 centimeters. But it pushes a lot of water, as you can see. It's got a big old paddle tail, and it can be fished very slowly, which is very good as well for this cold weather. But we'll give this a try, and then if we need to, we'll change it. Pike fella. They're not that big. Relatively small pike fella. Let's see if it'll take it if I speed it up a bit. Yep. Speed it up and slammed into it. Caught on the Mirror's Mouse. Perfect lure for these type of conditions. As you can see, very bright skies, really cold, about 3 or 4 degrees. The pike just cannot resist the action. There we go. An absolute pristine canal jack, probably about 4 or 5 pounds. Seriously not a bad fish, especially for the canal. Took it on the Mirror's Mouse, and yeah, what we'll do is get some pictures and put it back. When fishing a canal, just like I am today, it's very important to stay light and mobile. Usually I cap it at about 8 lures. As you can see, I've only bought a small box with a few various lures. You know, you want a few different colours, different lures in general. Just a variety really for every scenario, because you never know really when you get to a canal. And for me, lure choice is a big thing as well. I'd personally go 15 to 20 centimetres. I won't really go bigger than 20 centimetres, especially on a canal. The fish are going to be very pressured. The stamper fish usually aren't as big as, let's say, like the rivers or the lakes. So scaling down the bait can definitely help with a few more bites. So yeah, that's enough talking, let's get back fishing.
was a bite. That was a bite, definitely a bite. This one. Nice and bright, sharp hooks. Yeah. There we go. Probably about £3, I'd say. Yeah, bit it first and changed lure and also changed the angle. Yeah, it resulted in this. Not a bad fish. Take some photos and then we'll slip it back because it's ready to go.
Right guys, I think I'm going to leave it there. Overall, I'd say it was pretty successful considering the conditions. You know, 2 fish overall, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. Still haven't had that big fish yet from this canal. However, we will still be trying. We've got a few more stretches to explore. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.